Layered necklaces are a great way to dress up an outfit and add a bit of sparkle to your look. But it can be a challenge to keep them from tangling and becoming a neck mess. Thankfully, there's several ways to prevent your necklaces from knotting up and becoming a tangled mess. Hi, my name is Rachel Akmakjian from BriteCo Jewelry and Watch Insurance. Untangling necklaces can be tricky, so today I will provide simple tips and tricks to keep layered necklaces from tangling to avoid damaging your jewelry. Stacking necklaces typically consist of different chains with varying lengths and styles. These necklaces are sometimes made to be worn together, other times not. Regardless, keeping layered necklaces from tangling is crucial to preserve their delicate design and avoid any unwanted damage, like stress fractures to the chain, metal warping, damaged beads, gemstones, or other features, dulling of the finish, and broken chain links or spring clasps. Taking care of your layered necklaces can help keep them in their beautiful condition for years. Start with a shorter necklace. This acts as the bottom layer of your stack and will help keep those necklaces in place. Add a longer necklace. It will create an exciting contrast in length and can enhance the look of the shorter necklace. Select a third necklace. This should be an in-between length and sit between the two other necklaces comfortably. Ensure that the necklace chains are of a similar thickness. If the chains are different thickness, the thicker one will weigh down the thinner chains, which can cause tangling. Make sure that the clasp of the topmost necklace isn't too heavy. A heavy clasp can pull down the other necklaces, knotting the delicate chains. Now that you know a little more about how to stack your necklaces, there are a few more simple solutions that can keep your necklaces from tangling. Use a jewelry box. They come in various shapes and sizes and colors and are great for preventing tangles and keeping your precious necklaces organized. Use a necklace clasp. These are small metal devices that attach two or more necklaces. This can help prevent the necklaces from becoming tangled. If you're not a fan of necklace clasps, you can opt for a necklace spacer instead. Using a necklace detangler or small device that are usually made from metal or plastic and feature a small hook to untangle the chains. Necklace detanglers are a great tool to have on hand if you're prone to tangles because they can save you a lot of time and frustration. Great question. Layered necklaces tangle because the chains can rub against each other, causing them to catch and twist. This is especially true for delicate chains or those intricate designs. To prevent layered necklaces from tangling, consider using necklace spacers, wearing necklaces of different lengths, and choosing necklaces with different materials, clasping the ends of the necklaces before putting them on, and storing the necklaces properly in separate compartments or wrapped in tissue paper. Yes, you can use plastic wrap or a straw cut in half to create a similar effect to a necklace spacer. Simply loop the necklace around the plastic wrap or straw and secure it with the clasp. Don't pull. The best way to untangle necklaces is to be patient and work slowly. Start by gently untangling the larger loops first, then work your way towards the smaller ones. You can also use a toothpick or a blunt tool to help you separate the chains. Thanks for watching. Contact us for more information or to get your free jewelry insurance quote.